Hi, I'm going to do a vlog because I'm bored partly, and I'm recording in a different place today because yesterday something epic happened. My computer did not crash. I'm just recording here because I can't be bothered to record at home. So, a blonde once shot an arrow into the air, but she missed. Okay, I got this joke from my cousin. There were loads of blondes, and they went into a bar, and they were all cheering 51 days, 51 days. And then loads of other blondes came into the bar, 51 days, 51 days. Another few million came into the bar, and 51 days, 51 days. And then suddenly they all roared when they saw the last blonde come through, and they all cheered really loudly, 51 days, 51 days. And then the bartender was like, "What are you doing?" And the blondes were like, "We've all come up to say that we're not done." And the bar says, "Well, how are you going to do that?" And the blonde says, "Well, we have this puzzle here, and it says 2 to 4 months, but we did it in 51 days. Okay, so there were all the blondes gathering around this place. So it's not a joke to my cousin. So all these blondes, I like millions of them, and they all was in this massive classroom, and there was like this teacher came up and said, "I would like to have a volunteer, please." And so one blonde, after a few minutes in silence, just came up slowly, and the teacher said, "All right, what is 15 plus 15? And she's like, after a few minutes, 90. And all the blondes were like, "Give her another chance, give her another chance." And so she had another go, and the teacher said, "What's 10 plus 10? And then the blonde was like, 44. And they were like, "Give her another chance, give her another chance." So the teacher said, "All right then, this is the final one. What is 2 plus 2? And the blonde, after about 5 minutes, said, 4. And so all the people were like, "Give her another chance, give her another chance." Why was the blonde sitting down by the street for a day? Because she saw a traffic wonder with a sign saying stop, and she was waiting for it to say go. How do you confuse a blonde? Ask her to alphabetize a packet of M&Ms. So when England did the World Cup and they won, everyone did a Mexican wave at the end for some reason, and yeah, 2 blondes drowned. Here are some inventions by blondes. Number 1, the waterproof towel. Number 2, glow-in-the-dark sunglasses. Number 3, solar-powered flashlights. Number 4, submarine screen doors. Number 5, a book on how to read. Number 6, inflatable dartboards. Number 7, a dictionary index. Number 8, mechanical pencil sharpeners. Number 9, powdered water. Number 10, pedal-powered wheelchairs. Number 11, waterproof tea bags. Number 12, watermelon seed sorter. Number 13, zero-proof alcohol. 14, reusable ice cubes. Number 15, see-through toilet paper. Number 16, skinless bananas. Number 17, do-it-yourself roadmap. 18, turnip ice cream. 19, toe implants. 20, an all-white flag. 21, Rolls-Royce pickup truck. 22, helicopter ejector seat. If you do not know what this t-shirt means, get out right now. You do not know what the Beatles are. Okay, so there was a blonde, a brunette and a redhead, and they were all on this island. On a sunny day found a genie, and the brunette said, "How many wishes are you going to grant us?" And I was like, the genie said, "Well, 3 obviously. That's normally what happens." So the brunette said, "I was in my bed and this had never happened." So her wish was granted. And same with the redhead. "I wish I was in my bed and that this has never happened." Her wish was granted. And then the blonde went up to the genie and said, "I wish my friends were all here." How did the octopus lovers go down the road? Arm in 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 arm. Why did the blonde get thrown out of the M&M factory? Because she was throwing away all the W's. There was a blonde once, and she phoned her friend because she wanted to know her telephone number. There were two blondes on one side of the lake and another one on the other side of the lake. And the blonde said, "How did you get to the other side?" And the other blonde said, "No, you're on the other side." I got this joke from my brother. So there was this blonde in a car, and she was driving down, and then suddenly her mum says on the phone, there's a mad person driving down the wrong side of the road." And the blonde was like, "No, it's not just one, there's thousands of them." So there were two blondes, and one blonde says, "Look at that dog with one eye," and the other blonde was like, "Where?" How do you amuse a blonde for hours? Get a piece of paper and put on both sides, "Look on the other side." So there was a blonde and a brunette, and they went down to the Dreamers Bay in Cyprus, and there are loads of fishes there, and the blonde said there was this sacred fish that she needs to catch and take from it. So the brunette said, "How are you going to do that?" And the blonde said, "Simple, I'll drown the fish."